Welcome back to New Car Updates. Today, we're looking at something that redefines road travel entirely, the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Yes, Rolls-Royce has officially stepped into the luxury RV world, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. Unveiled at a private showing during the Geneva Auto Salon, this ultra-exclusive vehicle, known as the Land Yacht, is Rolls-Royce's boldest move yet. With only 100 units being produced worldwide, it's a rare and elite statement on wheels. From the outside, it's unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The design takes cues from the Phantom, featuring a dual-tone body, 23-inch chrome wheels, and of course, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy leading the way. The motorhome sits on a bespoke air suspension chassis, offering a ride that's smoother than most 5-star hotel beds. A full-length panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, giving this vehicle the open feel of a luxury yacht. Step inside, and it becomes clear, this isn't just an RV, it's a mobile mansion. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, with hand-stitched leather, silk carpeting, real wood inlays, and a signature starlight ceiling overhead. There's a private queen bedroom, a spa-inspired marble bathroom, a full chef's kitchen, and even a rear observation lounge with 270-degree wraparound windows. And yes, everything is fully customizable through Rolls-Royce's bespoke program, even down to matching finishes from your yacht or private jet. Now, let's talk power and performance. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is fully electric, powered by a dual-motor setup producing 600 horsepower. It offers a range of over 300 miles per charge, and comes equipped with Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, making long-distance cruising effortless. It's whisper quiet, incredibly smooth, and engineered for total serenity on the road. Of course, Rolls-Royce didn't stop there. Some standout features include a built-in champagne bar, voice-controlled smart glass, hidden drone storage with a rooftop landing pad, and an AI-driven concierge system that manages temperature, lighting, and entertainment to match your preferences. Now for the big number, the price. The starting cost is $2.65 million, and production begins in late 2025. As expected, there's already a waitlist forming, and if you're not on it now, you might be waiting quite a while. So what do you think? Is the Rolls-Royce Motorhome the future of luxury travel, or is it just a fantasy on wheels? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more cutting-edge updates from the world of cars. Thanks for watching New Car Updates, where luxury never parks.